Okay, we are now trying to create phone layout for Power BI report we have just made. First, select View menu, and then click Phone Layout. We will be brought to a setup window containing elements from Power BI report, and a set of grid to place those elements. We can drag and arrange those elements to the grid so we can have a layout report for mobile. We can do that as much as we like. Okay, well, I think that's enough. Now we can go back to previous window by clicking Desktop Layout. Don't forget to save your file. And on far right we have Publish button to click upload our report to Power BI Cloud so we can access it on the go. Here select your workspace, and make sure you have sign in your Power BI account. And then click Select. Let's wait it uploaded, and sure you are connected to the internet, right? Well done. Success publishing to Power BI. We can then check it out on mobile phone or tablet. See you on the next video.